Overheads are commonly known to builders as P&Gs. This section is updated and maintained the same way as miscellaneous templates, though accounting for business operations and unproductive time on site, such as administration, supervision, deliveries, cleaning, and other important costs to the business whilst the project is underway. Click the Add Template button to select the applicable templates, always selecting from My Templates. Select the required templates for this project and click Save. Selecting the black arrow next to each section name will allow you to expand the template and begin adding quantities for the required items. You can add a degree of difficulty and utilise the own labour estimate. You can add new sections and line items once your templates have been imported. You can save these changes to the template or use them as a one-off item specific for this estimate. Changing the quantity of a template is useful for the templates that have accounted for weekly costs and would be required multiple times throughout the project. Another example would be deliveries. Using the quantity of the template, this can be adjusted to suit how many deliveries would be arriving to site throughout the project.